Hello guys, today in this video I have come with some questions from English literature which are very important for NET aspirants. So without delay, let's begin with our first question. The Globe was set on fire in the year. Friends, the Globe is the famous theatre of Elizabethan era built by Shakespeare's acting company, the Lord Chamberlain's Men. Due to a theatrical cannon misfire during a performance of Henry VIII, the Globe was caught fire on 29 June 1613. So, the right option is number B, 1613. Second question. The term stream of consciousness was first used by. Stream of consciousness is a style or technique of writing that tries to capture the natural flow of a character's extended thought process. The technique was first used by William James in The Principles of Psychology, which was published in 1890. So, the term stream of consciousness was first used by number A, William James. Question number 3. Who is called the father of English classical comedy? Benjamin Jonson, that means Ben Jonson, was English playwright and poet known as the father of English classical comedy. So the right option is number B. Ben Jonson is called the father of English classical comedy. Question number 4. Which of the following novel is called a novel without a hero? Vanity Fair, published in 1848 by William Makepeace Thackeray, is called a novel without a hero because it contains no heroic character. So, the right choice is number A. Vanity Fair is called a novel without a hero. Question number 5. The Hundred Years of War began in the year. The Hundred Years of War is said to have started on May 24, 1337 between England and France over succession to the French throne. So, the right option is number D. In 1337, the Hundred Years of War began. Question number 6. The heroic couplet was first used by. Friends, the heroic couplet was pioneered by Geoffrey Chaucer in the Legend of Good Women and the Canterbury Tales. So, the right option is the heroic couplet was first used by number D. Chaucer. Question number 7. Mrs. Malaprop appears in. Friends, Mrs. Malaprop appears in Richard Brinsley Sheridan's 1775 play The Rivals. So, the right option is number B. Sheridan's The Rivals. Next question. Who restored Roman Catholicism in England? Mary First, also known as Mary Tudor and as Bloody Mary, who restored Roman Catholicism in England. So, the right option is number C. Queen Mary restored Roman Catholicism in England. Question number 9. Desdemona was killed by. Friends, Othello killed Desdemona because Iago opened his eyes to Desdemona's falsehood. So the right option is number C. Desdemona was killed by Othello. Question number 10. Who among the following translated Homer? Alexander Pope translated the Homeric poems into heroic couplets. So Homer is translated by number D. Alexander Pope. Question number 11. Who is the first recipient of Sahitya Akademi Award for English? R.K. Narayan was the first recipient of Sahitya Akademi Award for his novel The Guide. So the right option is number B. R.K. Narayan is the first recipient of Sahitya Akademi Award for English. Question number 12. The term negative capability is associated with. Friends, negative capability is a phrase first used by Romantic poet John Keats in 1817 to explain the capacity of the greatest writers such as William Shakespeare. So, the term negative capability is associated with number D. John Keats. Question number 13. Milton's sonnet rhyme scheme is. Friends, John Milton is considered the most significant English author after William Shakespeare. Milton uses the standard rhyme scheme ABBA, ABBA, CD, CD, CD in his sonnets. So, the right answer is Milton's sonnet rhyme scheme is number D, ABBA, ABBA, CD, CD, CD. Question number 14. Joseph Conrad's novels are generally set in the background of. Joseph Conrad was a Polish British writer regarded as one of the greatest novelists to write in the English language. His novels are generally set in the background of the sea. So the right option is number A. Joseph Conrad's novels are generally set in the background of the sea. Question number 15. When was the Reform Bill passed? The Reform Bill passed in the House of Lords and it became law on June 4, 1832. So the right option is number A. The Reform Bill passed in 1832. Question number 16. Which was the last play written by William Shakespeare? The Tempest, drama in 5 acts, published in the first folio of 1623, is the last play written by William Shakespeare. So the right option is number A. The Tempest was the last play written by William Shakespeare. Question number 17. Which of the following is the most important theatre of Elizabethan era? The Globe is the most important theatre of Elizabethan era, opened in 1599 and closed in 1642. So, the right choice is number C. The Globe is the most important theatre of Elizabethan era. Question number 18. The phrase religion of the blood is associated with D.H. Lawrence. So the right option is number D, D.H. Lawrence. Question number 19. In Memoriam, Tennyson mourns in the death of In Memoriam 1850 is an elegy by Alfred Lord Tennyson written in the memory of Arthur Henry Hallam. So the right option is number A. In Memoriam, Tennyson mourns in the death of Arthur Henry Hallam. Last question. Who is known as the Pisan poet? John Clare, an English poet, is known as the Pisan poet. So, the right option is number A. John Clare is known as the Pisan poet. So friends, today we have done some important questions from English literature. I hope you would like. So if I find some more important questions from English literature, I will make video soon. Thank you.